Everyone, my name is Luke. This is the Outdoor Gear Review, and today I'm not alone. Everyone,
hi!
It's Susie!
That's right, and today we are going through a bunch of viewer mail. We are so behind, guys. So sorry about that. It's been incredibly busy lately, but today is viewer mail day.
That's right. And before we go any further, I apologize for the poor audio quality. If it is poor, in fact, I left the mic at the house. Oops.
Yep.
That's my fault. That's my fault.
It is. It's all good.
It really is your fault.
We won't make him feel too bad about that, so forget about it. Let's just jump into the viewer mail.
Let's get to it. So the first package comes from my good buddy Tan. Thank you so very much. What's in the box? What is in the box?
I don't know. I'm not sure what I hear, so.
Before we go any further, let's use our psychic abilities to determine what's in the box. Go ahead.
Fire starter.
Okay. I guess smelling the box is not psychic abilities, is it?
No.
So, it's coffee. It's instant coffee.
Oh.
Tan, thank you so very much, buddy. I'm opening this from the bottom. Why is that? Comment down below. The answer is because I can, so.
Oh. Is that another mistake?
It's never been a mistake. Never.
I don't want to bring up the mic incident, but whatever.
She's not going to let me live this down.
Well, it looks like I was right. We do have some fire starter.
Plastic's not fire starter.
No, I meant this.
I like her methods.
Not the plastic.
She hates the environment.
The paper.
She burns her garbage. In all seriousness, let's see what we have here. It's a nice little box.
I'm going to say maybe you were right because it's sticks of something.
It's Mini Maxim 30 sticks black
it is
box.
Coffee.
Really, really nice.
Mild roast Americano. Ooh.
Wow. Very cool.
Oh, look
Check
at
that
this.
out. Wow, Tan, thank you so much. I wish I brought some water. I forgot that too. So.
Yeah.
I'm on a roll.
It's a medium roast, which we both really like.
Yeah.
So awesome.
Wow, thank you so much. I cannot wait to try this. I'm assuming this is from Korea. You can correct me if I'm incorrecto. But wow, thank you so much.
Awesome.
Cannot wait to try this. I really like the box too. It looks really nice.
Sleek, and like the little packs are really mini, so that's kind of nice.
Yeah. Wow.
Anyway, awesome.
Thank you. Okay, so moving on here, we have this gigantic box. And as you can guess, there's something from Yeti on the inside.
All right, I'm going to use my psychic abilities
Oh, yeah?
and say that it is a Yeti product.
Oh, impressive. The sender of this package wishes to be anonymous, but I want to say a special thank you to you. I hope you are doing well. This is somebody that we've been friends with for a long time, and we really appreciate him. Thank you so much.
Ooh.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Check that out. What is
wow.
this exactly?
It's a cooler. This will probably work much better when you go car camping.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look, it's leak proof. This is probably the...
Nicest cooler we've ever had. Wow.
Whoa.
This is premium, folks.
Guys,
premium.
Look inside of this thing.
Yeah. Wow. That's super nice.
Very nice.
That is fantastic viewer mail. We are so lucky to have the best viewers in the entire world. And I do want to say sorry for this being a little bit late. You know, Susan and I, we've been in Colorado, coming back, trying to get caught up on work because I have another job full-time. But yeah, we do apologize for the lateness of this video, but we are so incredibly thankful for your guys' kindness. Ladies too, of course.
All right, guys, that's it for the viewer mail. We appreciate you all. Thank you so, so much. That's it. So, strength and honor.
Strength and honor.
All
Bye,
right.
everyone.
Bye.
Thank you.